Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram note colorful. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application and I'm going to create an Instagram note. So I'm going to go to the Instagram direct messages here on the top right corner. Oops, wait. Click on the Instagram direct messages and then I'm going to click on this option to create Instagram note. Okay, and then to make your note colorful, you're going to tap and hold on it like this, and then there will be some color you can apply to your note. You can swipe left and right to choose the color palette, and for example I'm going to make it purple. So I'm going to choose this one. As you can see that this color has been applied to my note, and then I'm going to click on apply. Alright, and after that you can continue to edit your note. And actually you can also add emoji to your note. If you want to add emoji, you can tap and hold again on the note and then you will see the emoji icon here. Tap on that and choose the emoji you want to add to your note. I'm going to choose this one. And now the emoji has been added to my note and we can click on apply. Okay, and after that we can continue to edit the note. I'm going to add music, for example, and I'm just going to pick random music from here. Okay, we can select the part of the music we want to add to our note, or you can add text actually, but I'm just going to add music to my note. Okay, then you can add photo or video, and once you're done editing your note you can click on share here. Okay, and after that the colorful note will be posted. As you can see that the color of my note has been changed to purple. Okay. And okay guys, that's all the way to create colorful Instagram note. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.